on the wings of the crown. The dead and on the wings of the crow. Yes, I can always shadow the road with tempo. I'm holding the line, I've been training to go. But no matter the way I choose to pursue, I train with the place that only the few will attempt to pick up from the floor to the sky, overcoming the fear that keeps growing inside. Descending to the ground. Yeah, I fight back through the fears to preserve this hope, but the breakdown leaves me at the end of the road on the wings of the crew.